How to build skincare routine. Hey beautiful! Welcome back to Glow and Grow. Today we're talking about something that can feel super overwhelming. When you're starting out, how to build your own skincare routine. I've made all the mistakes so you don't have to. Let's make it simple, sweet, and perfect for you. Keep it simple. First things first. Babe, don't stress about a 10-step routine. When you're building your skincare, start with just 3 essential steps. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. These 3 are your skincare foundation. Think of them as brushing your teeth, but for your face. Morning versus night. Your morning and night routines don't have to look the same. Morning, gentle cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Night, cleanser, moisturizer. You can add extras like serums, face oils, or eye cream if you want, but it's totally optional when you're starting. I remember when I kept trying to copy complex routines and my skin just freaked out. Sometimes less is more. Picking the right products. Your product should match your skin type. If you don't know it yet, go check out my How to Find Your Skin Type video. Oily skin. Go for lightweight gel-based products. Dry skin, creamy rich formulas will be your best friends. Combination skin, balance both think gentle gel cleansers and lightweight moisturizers. Also, watch out for your skin sensitivity. Start slow. Try one new product at a time so you know what works and what doesn't. And babe, please don't skip moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, your skin still needs hydration. Extra steps you can add later. Once you got your basics down, you can slowly start adding serums for glow, hydration, or acne. Face masks once or twice a week. Eye cream if you want extra under eye love. Exfoliation, gently, about 1-2 times a week. But you don't need to add everything at once. Your skin loves consistency more than anything. Listen to your skin. One thing I've learned, your skin talks to you. If it's feeling dry, tight, or irritated, it's telling you something's off. It's okay to switch products. It's okay to take a step back. Your routine should work for you, not stress you out. So babe, building a skincare routine isn't about doing what everyone else does. It's about finding what feels good and sticking to it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and tell me your current skincare routine in the comments. I'd love to hear all about it. You're glowing, babe!